If you've lost access to your phone number and need to recover your Lyft account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Lyft Help Center. Go to the Lyft website or app and navigate to the Help Center. This is where you can find resources and support for account recovery. Step 2. Select account recovery options. Look for the option related to account recovery or lost access. This will guide you to the specific procedures for recovering your account without a phone number. Step 3. Choose email recovery. Select the option to recover your account using your email address. Enter the email link to your Lyft account to receive further instructions. Step 4. Follow email instructions. Check your email for a message from Lyft. Follow the instructions provided in email to verify your identity and reset your account access. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, update your account settings to include a new phone number or additional recovery options. This will help prevent future access issues. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your Lyft account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft customer support for further assistance.